pinya ndavatsara mahits tikonzimbinga taridza movement pana kwandirukenda patira pusheni akusati
So we're back with another reaction video. It's your boy Casey and
yes sir, it's your boy Alkezano.
you already know. So today
reacting a Holy 10
Appetite featuring Anita Jaxson.
Anita Jaxson.
Anita Nori. But you Holy 10 and Jerry.
I'm ringing my Razi up there.
Since last week when it's like and living here.
Pange pane zvangu zvichitika.
And my streets have no appetite.
Pange pane zvanga zvichitika. Amenu pange pane
data.
Amenu. But as long as abudi.
I know pizza.
And it's I think it's trending.
I think it's trending because my views 12k. Hey, it's too much.
But what I'm hearing in the streets,
Yunzi
aflo. I haven't heard the song, but I'm just seeing people saying, those are the things that But I'm not gonna judge before I listen. So
okay,
I'm just gonna listen first. The intro
to tangire pap.
Saka
Dubai and Dubai
and it.
Okay, I'll be like, share, subscribe to my boy's channel.
Yeah, make sure you go subscribe to my channel, guys.
The link is always in the description. Always.
Make sure you guys go into the description. Yeah. I just meet with guys. Video there. Mitch Ute is underrated.
Yeah, he's underrated.
Underrated.
Hey, nah. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, 5 plus 5, 10. You know, 5 plus 5, 10. Both guy my jive, man. Both by my lights, 5, 5, 10. Both guy my jive, man. Both my lights, Body pies a mitre. Andina appetite yesozo. Andina interest kulinga team race. Machinga farira izo ikoko. Andina appetite yesozo. Appetite yesozo. Andina appetite yesozo. Appetite yesozo. Andina appetite yesozo. Ragaman ting. Big man holy pan harder than steam. Big man holy van usara pa chima para zentini. Ndiwe nyuka masanda karanda nchimba. Pana pampinde. Ridim ridimus.
Hanzi muti ndiri nyuka mabandagara njimba.
Hey someone. Hey, he took the award in Nyuka best Nyuka.
That's the garage njimba. Sasa rutonzi muti chairi. Guys. Mugusa is a flu yake.
Aiwa mugusa is. Wanaruta ya flu papa.
Mugusa is a flu. Okay, bear in mind this is a different beat, guys.
It's a different beat.
This is showing what's it called? Diversity.
Yeah.
Murazoti omba
yeah, so ano yani flu raga so wind underneath the beat.
Like, did you hear? Oh yeah. I'm sorry. This is
appetite yesozo. Andina appetite yesozo. Ragaman ting. Big man holy pan harder than steam. Big man holy van usara pa chima para zentini. Ndiwe nyuka masanda karanda nchimba. Pana pampinde. Ridim system. Ridi kutsinzinya. Riku scream pinya. Ndavatsara mahits tikonzimbinga. Taridza movement. Pana kwandirukenda. Patira pusheni. Akusadi
guys, I've got a question. Flow papa.
That's not flow papa.
Flow papa. I mean, not one. I don't
know to another chi. Honzota change flow. And the beat like
Tari kutsinzinya, ari kuskrimpinya, ndavatsara mahits tikunzimbinga. Tari dza movement, pana kwandrukenda, patira pusheni, hakusati pakuchena, patira ha. Tune ID, wakabva kopiwe, hatidi kumuka ndava kunzipwere, kungoti ka usingabvunzi jere, kungoti ka. Handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo. Appetite izozo.
Bad girl ting when me step in the ring. DDT no kuratidza masimi yabo piss payo. Like a latrine, speak zim dance, well you know me a the queen. They know I'm a threat, I'm the doctor, I'm the vet. But daddy could dissect you, then eat you up for bread. Niggas packing in my gets and the duckies in my shed. Them say leave a footprint, I'm telling leave a dent. I'ma eat the whole loaf and eat the crumbs. So prolific they say me are profound. When they say Anita Jaxson never doubt. This ain't a beef but I'ma give you gout. Me a 5 + 5, 10. Queen of the hype, that's my queen of the hype. My would spice me up king. Cool and calm me a zen.
Handina appetite izozo.
But what do you think? What do you think the floor ran it?
I feel like they are busy so.
Appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo, handina appetite izozo, appetite izozo.
Right. To be honest, the flows angakaiba.
Yeah.
I won't even lie. My flow angakaiba.
Your toe flow.
But I feel like it slowed down per hook.
Yeah.
The hook was too basic.
Yeah, it was too basic.
I feel like the hook was too basic then. Like our nigga ni moto per flow.
But
Anita ni moto per flow. Then per hook if slow it down.
yeah.
I don't know if that was meant to be the purpose, but then I feel like
That's why I feel
like that's why people are saying
yeah, flow.
because one order chi order okay and ring go out. Goes round.
That's why
I feel like that's what people want.
yeah, it's true.
But then for me, I don't think this flopped. I
don't
feel
think
like
so.
it's just showing how diverse he can be as an artist.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, it's
Which shows with the Apagaipa. I'm biased, but you are the newcomer. You are the newcomer.
But why is it all the time for my songs like this? I don't know what I can
Yeah, it's a appear. And sundown song one year so that kind of
Kana one of the risk life the one. Yeah, akakatora zvimbana zvakadzwa ndotira naka nyakadzari chirunedza ka wakadza kwambomutuka kaba tukitoti what are you saying?
But I feel like this is dope. This is a dope song. I like the inaka jumpy and then I like the verses.
Yeah, the verses
I don't like the hook. I like the verses.
It's dope.
It's like Warutia Flopa, please let us know in the comment section.
Yeah, Warutia Flopa, papi. What are you saying?
What are you guys saying? Because you heard what I have to say. Tell me what you guys what you guys I like it. Because people might say he's just getting views because of his name.
Chet. But
at the same time, guy, you have to give him credit for going out of his comfort zone.
Yeah, for real.
Saga.
That's it.
Tadongo Mira album.
I mean, Drew Berry need album. I don't know.
The Risky Life.
So yeah, that's it for the video. It's your boy KZ and
okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.